Jack, I'm glad you could come over and hang out today.
Yeah, man, so what do you want to do?
Well, I'm pretty hungry. What about you?
Yeah, I'm pretty hungry too. You want to just order a pizza like last time?
But I'm in the mood to make something ourselves. You down for some steak?
Yeah, sounds good to me.
Hey Oliver, why do the different meats vary in color?
Oh, I learned that the different concentrations of myoglobin in the meat affect the color. Myoglobin is a protein that stores oxygen for energy production. They require more energy than chicken due to their large size and activity. Therefore, the meat is a darker red.
So that's why drumstick is darker, because the muscles are used.
This flank steak we picked up is going to be so good.
Ow.
Yeah, you see the grain? The texture is pretty coarse.
Yeah, but you know, the flank steak comes from the flank of the cow, which is not as coarse as some of the other cuts because the muscles aren't used as much.
It'll only take about 10 minutes to grill, so it's medium rare.
Let's get that marinade ready.
Marinade, we're going to use red wine vinegar, soy sauce, and steak spices.
Yeah, doesn't the marinade not only flavor the steak, but also tenderize it too?
Yep.
My mom was telling me how the vinegar breaks down the connective tissue and therefore tenderizing it. Make sure you put the temperature on high to sear the meat. When you first put the steak on, you put it at a high temperature so that all the juices go towards the center of the steak. It keeps it nice and juicy.
Oh, is that sort of like the Maillard reaction? Alright.
Well, the Maillard reaction is where some of the juices evaporate and it combines sugars and amino acids into new molecules on the surface of the meat.
That's how the meat gets its flavor, brown color, and crusty texture, huh?
Yeah. But what I don't get is how the meat is actually cooked.
The meat is cooked when a denaturing process occurs, when the protein fibers unravel and coagulate with each other, cooking the meat. How do you want it cooked? I like medium rare.
Yeah, medium rare is good. That way it's still juicy and not too soft and rare.
We have to let the steak sit for about 10 minutes. This is so the juices redistribute. Now remember, my mom told me to cut against the grain. This way that tenderizes the meat even more.
Perfect. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to eat.
Yeah, let's do it.